Alright, let's start the recording. Hey guys, what's up? Today we're gonna play the pet story with my friends here in Nicholas.
Hey.
Yep, it's over here. Wait, where is he? Where is this man? Yep, just wearing the Christmas hat. Now we became twins. Haha. Woof! Hi there. My name is Canella. Hi, Canella. I'm the purest cocker you will ever meet. This is what humans call adoption center. Oh. You were rescued by Susie. She's the human in the counter. Oh god, I'm glitching. Come on. Believe me. We've already tried. So if you guys see my screen like this, it's because I don't actually know what happened. It's kinda used to it. Liar! Humans are disgusting. Shut up, Slicer.
Yeah.
You don't know about humans. That's Slicer. Stay away from that dog. He's in a cage for a reason. Oh, yeah, being a bad dog. You will here forever, just like me. Doubt it. I've heard they are going to take him to the deadly shelter. Okay. Oh, okay.
There's another
That's creepy.
Slicer, bro.
Once a pet goes in there, it never comes back. But you don't have to worry about that. Yeah, okay. Anyways, have some fun. Susie said we can walk around and explore the place. Oh. I got the phone. Oh, I already got the phone from there. And oh my god, what happened to my screen? Oh, what is it? Press Q to talk, press E to bite. Oh, that's for computer. I don't have a computer. I mean, I do have, but like, yeah, I'm stuck. Ooh, wait, is that a car? Is that a car? No. There's a car. There's a car.
Invite.
Car. A car arrived. Someone's getting adopted. Alright, buddies. We got a visitor. Remember to be a good pet. Yes. Let me a human. I want to cuddle you. God, what's happened to my screen? I can't control it. Okay. Granny! Good morning, sweetie. My name is Gertrudis. Okay, but you can call me Granny. Why is it so hard to spell your name? Well, hello, Granny. Would you like to adopt a pet today? Sure thing. I love pets. Awesome. Follow me then. That's Canella. She is super friendly and cheerful. She does. She has a cute bow. That's Norfalina. It is very clumsy and it's very sensitive. That's Skylar.
Oh, hello.
He is easy to train and chats a lot.
Oh, not me.
Okay, wow. That's Immortal. It needs exercise and eats a lot. Oh, that's supposed to be me, but whatever. That's Risk Sky 01. Oh wait, 01? It has a lot of energy and it Ew. That's new.
Oh my god.
That's new.
That's no, bro.
It's very royal and it's very clumsy. That's Blink. Okay. It's very intelligent and it's easy to train.
Oh my god, how the dog is flying?
I don't know. That's ID 0110, I guess. It draws a lot and get mad easy. That's a beauty. That's
Don't
dog.
adopt Slicer.
That dog. He's very aggressive.
Yeah.
It's actually his last week with us. Yeah, you suck, bro. Haha. What the? That's all we have for now. Haha, you suck, man. They are so beautiful. Why, thank you. Which one would you like to take home? I'm probably gonna do one at this point. I'm taking Ruth, Felina, Skylar, Immortal, blah 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 blah, all of them. Whoa. Are you sure you can handle them? Yeah, can. She can. Yes, dear. I could use some company at home. We are all set then. Get in the back of the granny's truck. Ooh, 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 yeah, yeah, yeah. Dun, 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 ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, bum, 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 ba-dum, bum, bum. Yeah.
Big dog.
There's a lot of big dogs. Yeah, money, and we still look a little bit. Time to go home. Yeah.
I'm gonna take the ladder.
Oh! I almost forgot.
And don't go to fly now.
Should go today or no? Everyone for the Christmas anniversary. You know what? Yeah, since it's almost Christmas, I want to try. Better get
Yeah.
doing. Okay, yep, still slow.
Yeah.
That was We arrived at the Army. Wait. Army pets are welcome here. Ooh, food. Yum. Thank you. Well, at least I have food here. Open the door.
Yeah.
Open the freaking door. Oh no. They are low on stock. Hopefully we can find enough supplies for this month. Welcome to the supermarket. Welcome. There's a lot of food. Oh my god. There's a lot.
There's apple and
I love this. I hope you are smart as you look at. I'm going to need you to help these old ladies get the groceries. Okay? I'm going straight to the fruits and vegetables. Then where are you? How Granny get all kinds of supplies for the other ace? You heard Granny. Let's get all the supplies. We can. Oh god, my English orders too much. Like, alright, let's see. I don't know what we need to get, but I'm sure.
oh, there's a lot of things.
Yeah. Grandma can pay all of this, right?
Yeah.
I just hope so. She's a grandma. We don't really want it to waste her money.
Oh, there's sheep here. Hold on.
Fuck. Getting. Oh god. Bum. There's more bones. I enjoy the bones. Okay, is that all? Great! I think we got everything Granny's needs. I just hope. Psst. Hey you! Rudolph? Who are you? Huh? Who was that?
Oh, yeah, this
What? Where?
is
Over here! By the grocery booth! What? Oh, we're following Canela.
It's cute, bro. It's cute.
Rudolph! Who are you? I'm Rudolph. I'm one of Santa's reindeers.
Yeah.
No way. We need your help. A polar bear called Polo took over Santa's workshop. What? It's just a freaking polar bear. What do you mean? If we don't do something about it, he will ruin Christmas for everyone.
Oh no.
No, that's horrible. We will help you save Christmas. It's just a freaking polar bear. Great. We need as much paw as we can get. Now, come on. Get in this sled. Yeah, Christmas, guys.
Yeah.
We're saving Christmas. Wait, what about Grandma? I mean Granny.
Oh yeah.
Oh no. Oh, we're dead. Granny's gonna kill us. Let's go save the Christmas.
Okay.
Da-da-da-da-da-da. Finally! Welcome. Follow me. It's this way. Rudolph, can I run on you, please? No? Never mind.
Oh, there's
This
Bobby
looks-
here. Serious?
Hey,
The Bobby
oh,
here.
oh. I know, but this is the only way through. We can do this, Nico. We can.
Yeah.
We are going to
Fall
have
off.
to cross the river. Oh my.
Someone just.
I think so.
Oh.
Wait! Oh my
Don't
god.
go.
This
Oh
is
my
what I'm
God,
scared about.
Did you die?
I don't know. Eh?
Wait until. Okay, now
Oh shit.
it's time.
Oh god. Oh no. Oh my god, I'm so scared.
Oh, I died.
Are you kidding me?
I died one.
Oh,
But I spawned again in here. I almost died.
oh no, I almost died. Why you respawn? How?
Wait. What?
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I'm
This is
so
a hack, bro.
This is it. Santa's workshop. Whoa. It's
Open
so
the door.
beautiful. To be honest, it is.
Santa.
Sadly, someone didn't think the same. Is that a sled over there? Well, yeah,
No, what is that?
knock on that door. It's time to comfort Polo. It's just a freaking polar bear. How in the world he can take control? Who dares to disturb me? Disturb me. Whoa, okay, he's a big one. You, reindeer? I thought I made myself clear. There will be no more Christmas. I'm keeping every single gift. And you are fired. Mwahaha. You can't fire me, I'm firing you. What? What?
Yes. I'm going to bite him.
Yum, 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 yum. I'm gonna eat you. Yeah, I'm just kidding. You had your chance. Oh,
Ow.
oh no, no. Oh, that was close. There's food. Yum, okay. Oh no, be careful, be careful. Oh,
Hey.
hey, reindeer.
Oh my god, I low energy for help.
Go over there, oh
Hello.
my god, be careful. Be careful. Oh no, wait, what? Whoa, what was that?
We have to go
What?
up. Quick.
Oh no, don't you. Oh what?
Oh my god. What the heck? It's just bugging and then you fly it here.
I'm trying to. I don't know
Go,
how
go,
I don't know
I'm
how to
flying.
find it, but that was just a shock, and I'm shoot.
Oh shoot.
Oh no 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 no! Come on, my game is lagging again. Ugh. Crap!
I'm biting.
Ow! Okay, careful, be careful. Do not touch the ring, even though they are nothing.
Oh yeah.
Ow! 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 Okay, that hurt. That hurt. Please, sir. Mr. Polo, please. I know you are a
Sorry,
big
get
fan,
under
but
me.
you like can't
Buddy, then you can
like
die.
do it. Can't you like do it carefully? There is no way you are saving Christmas. Oh, we are. Oh shoot.
Oh
We are
shoot.
saving Christmas.
Oh,
We are
I
saving
almost
Christmas.
died. No.
Oh no! Ow! 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 Crap! 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 Chicken! 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 Come on! Oh no! Wait! I almost died there. Oh shit! Come on!
Shoot.
Hey! Come on! Come on! Come on!
Oh, let's go. I almost died.
Okay, so apparently he's not just a freaking polar bear. At all. Do not summon this again, please. I almost died. Oh no 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 no!
How many things?
Careful, man! Careful, man! Oh no!
I'm going to go back to the big run.
Oh! No one is getting gift this year. Your head is not gonna get this gift.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Ow!
Oh my god.
Oh no! I'm low energy. I gotta get healed. I hope there's food. No, no, no. There's no food. Yep, I'm dead. I guess.
He's killing someone.
What is he doing?
Oh
He's
my
killing people
god.
outside. Dude, are you okay? Hello, Polo? Oh shit.
Go, 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 go.
No, 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 I'm gonna move.
Oh no, go, 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 go.
Ah! Dang it!
Oh my god, I almost died. Oh.
Me too! But I'm in low energy right now. And I don't think I can survive. Let's hope so.
Just get under his
Ah!
body. Wing.
Oh no. Oh no no no. No
Wait,
no
boy.
no 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 no. No 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 please. I'm dying. Don't you dare kill me, Polar Bear. Mr. Polar Bear, please. I need mercy. Ouch! Mommy! So you're a
Uh-oh.
mama boy.
We have to go. We have to go.
So you're a mama boy.
Mama boy. Mama boy.
Mr.
Yes,
Polo, what the heck? Are you kidding me? Oh! Santa! Finally, we can come back to the workshop. Santa! You came back!
Yes, sir.
Ho ho! It will not be possible without you and your friends, I guess. Now let's get back to work. Wait, you can't understand us? We are short in time for Christmas. You can understand us?
Yeah, we're gonna get the present.
You can understand us? What the heck? Thank you so much for your help. Now everyone in the world will be able to enjoy these beautiful holidays. Yeah! Thank you so much. You're welcome. I'll take you back now. I'll take you back home now. Your human must be worried. Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Wait, I got Canela.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
nice.
I got Rudolph.
Me
Go.
too.
Oh my god.
Suki, wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Or say
Oh.
Merry Christmas. Or late Merry Christmas. We got
Oh,
so
I
many
got the
gifts.
news. I got the Santa.
Santa must be. Yeah, I know.
So cool.
Yay! We got so many gifts. Alright guys, that's all for this video guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and to, you know, Nico actually has a YouTube channel, but he hasn't recorded yet. But yeah, we'll see. I'm just gonna give the link on the community tab. You guys better see that. If not, I'm gonna eat your boxes. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Bye!
Bye.